Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In my video yesterday, I outlined the much anticipated move toward the yellow horizontal at 106.4K and into the red liquidation leverage box. This level aligned perfectly with the hot pockets shown on the 3-day liquidation heat map. But weekends are always known for low volume, which usually causes the price action to stall in a phase of compression. That's exactly what we're seeing now. Price coiling between two key levels, forming a tight consolidation range. We're currently locked between the yellow dotted horizontal at 104.3K and the orange dotted line at 105.7K. That orange level has history. It started forming on May 30th. It acted as serious resistance, keeping the price pinned below for days. After it finally broke during the V-shaped move on the first weekend of June, Bitcoin exploded upward. On June 9th, it ran from 105.7K all the way to 110.5K. That was a strong breakout of around 4.6% to the upside. And now, we're knocking on that same orange line again, and we've already been rejected 4 times in the past 3 days. But just like with doors, knock often enough, and eventually it opens. I'm still bullish here. My long trades are still open from the 106 to 108K region, and I continue to see signs of strength across the board. Long-term holders have accumulated over 881,578 Bitcoin in just the last 30 days. That is massive. It shows conviction, not fear. When you combine that with continued ETF inflows and still open buy pressure despite bearish headlines and geopolitical tensions, the picture remains bullish. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.